Alrighty folks, we got the brand new 2024 GMC AT4 here. Let me show you guys these TV monitors we installed on this truck here. This is going to be good if you have little ones that you want to entertain. I put some TV monitors on here for the customer. You can split screen, watch whatever you want, or for your passengers. You could go on here and they can watch a couple of different options here. You can do your Netflix, you can do photos, phone link, Disney Plus. You can search the web and all that good stuff on this one here. We did hot wire everything, so you don't see any of the wiring hanging or dangling nowhere. So they're pretty neat. If you want to watch Netflix, get on your Netflix. Hi everyone, this is David. You can watch Netflix on here. You can also get the headrest or pair it to your factory radio. You can use your hotspot and get all your features on this thing. It's a really neat product. If you guys are interested in some of these monitors, let us know. We can get you guys set up on a set like this here. We also tinted the windows on this truck, did a sound system, and a couple of different little things that we did. Tint, the sub install, and wrap the grill. Alrighty folks, just wanted to share that with you guys just in case you guys are interested. Here at D's Garage, we got you covered.